and I am going to be making some Chanel wall decor today, you guys. I went ahead and printed this off Google. It is a template of the Chanel bottle, which is what I'm going to be using today for my DIY. Let me show you guys what else I'll be using. These mirrors, I don't know the size. Let me see. They're 12 by 12. These are 12 by 12 mirrors that I got from Ikea on the clearance rack. It had a pack of 4. They're really huge. It had a pack of 4, and it's really thin as well. You guys can see how thin they are. They're really thin. It comes in a pack of 4. I absolutely love these. I wish I got more. I have a couple of DIYs that I have in mind that I would love to use these for, but I only found one. They also come with these command strip like things, which I don't trust. They're not very sticky. So of course I will be adding some command strips to this, or maybe try these. Start this DIY. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the outline of this. I also have some broken glass pieces. They're mirror pieces, but they also have some glass pieces which are sprayed with some silver metallic spray paint. Okay, so I'm gonna continue cutting this. So I am done. Before I put the mirror away, I wanted to show you guys the brand of the mirror at Ikea. If you're interested, it's called Dollartree. It has 4 pieces and it is 12 by 12. I am now going to go ahead and add some Mod Podge to the back of this mirror, and I just want to center it perfectly. You guys, just right in the center here. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and cleaned off the edges. Clean off the glass on here, sorry. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add another coat of Mod Podge. I did forget to put a coat of Mod Podge on here as well, so that the glitter doesn't fall off. So I'm gonna go ahead and do so right now. hope you guys like, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below and give me a thumbs up. I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys, have a good one.